If you're in a tangle, talk to Mr. Angle. He'll keep your workshop from getting mangled. Yeah!
Your kit of parts, when it comes, the chassis is bolted together with 1/4 inch bolts, 1/4, 20 threads per inch. So we're going to have to thread these holes that are in the cross channels. Okay, so I'm going to use my countersink. I'm going to chamfer, clean the bolt holes, or the holes that will be threaded. And all I have to do with this is just rotate it a couple of times. It'll make it easier to start the tap. But you can do it with a round file, just to get rid of any sharp edges. Ooh, nice and smooth. Okay, I have a 1/4 20 tap. I'm going to use that to thread the inside of those holes. Bolts are 1/4 inch, 250 thousandths, 20 threads per inch. Now, when I start this, I'm going to give it just about a half a rotation while I'm pushing down on it. Then I'm going to stand back, sight down the workpiece, and both directions, pretty good that direction. It's tipped this way a little, so as I start the next half rotation, I'm going to just slightly move the top of the tap towards you. And after I'm pretty sure that it's exactly vertical from the workpiece, I'm going to lubricate the tap with WD-40. And I'm going to give it a little bit of down pressure and rotate it. Make one full rotation, back it up 1/4 of a turn. Another full rotation, back it up. I'm cutting the chip off that's being formed in front of the flutes on the tap. We don't want to just try and run it on down in without stopping and making sure. Bad deal to break that tap off in the hole. They're very, very hard. You don't drill them out. And I'm going to make sure that it gets tapped plenty deep enough, because I'm not exactly sure how far the bolts need to thread into it. Nice threaded hole. Ready to run. A 1/4 20 bolt in. There you have it.